Well, good morning. Trucker Todd here, and time for another video. All right, folks. Recently, AT&T released a device for businesses called Internet Air for Business. Now, they've got two plans available. I'm going to tell you all about them in this video, and I just got mine in, so I thought this would be a great time to do an unboxing. I'll use it for a few days, and then I'll do another video telling you what my experience was like with it. Now, some of you are going to say, well, Todd, this has been out a few weeks. They did have an Internet Air for consumers. This one's entirely different. The Internet Air for consumers is a big white globe looking thing. As you can see, this one's very small and compact. So we're going to open it up, take a look at it, and I'll show you what all comes with it and give you pricing and things like that. But before we do, give this video a thumbs up, share it on your social media platforms, and make sure you're subscribed. All right, folks, let's cue up the music and jump right in. Here we go.
And this is why I do this, why I'm out here, why I keep that hammer down. Flying by these road signs with home on my mind. These wheels turning round for my family and for my kids. For this life I wanna live. And this is why I do this.
All right, we're back. So looking at the box, this is always the fun part, the unboxing. I'm gonna try not to cut myself. All right, it looks like just the one piece of tape, and hopefully you can see this. Opening it up, it's got the books that I always say I'm not going to read, and I always end up needing to read. We're going to toss those to the side for a minute and look at this presentation. Pretty neat how they've got it in there. It says AT&T Internet something. Internet Air for Business 5G Gateway. Hopefully you can see that. And instead of being a white globe thing like it is for the consumer one, it is more of a cylindrical thing. I don't drop it and break it. We'll look at it here in just a second. Let's see what else is in the box. Just cardboard there. But then the final thing in the box is this little blue box. Let's see what's in here. This is just going to be your power supply, and we'll get it out and take a look at it. Let's see if there's anything notable on the box that we need to know. No, just the legalese. So we're good there. Let's look at the back of this. I already see some things I really like about it. There's several of the ports on the back for Ethernet. It looks like there's one that's 2.5 gigs and 3 that are 1 gig. And so, yeah, that's the device. On the bottom, it's got the Wi-Fi password, which is very complicated. And it's got a login address where I can go in there and change that to a more friendly Wi-Fi username and password. So this is the device. Now let's talk about pricing. I believe the device itself, you do have to be a business customer to get this one, as I am. The device itself was around $274. They did have a promotion where I got it for free as long as I kept it 36 months. I do have 30 days to return it if I don't like it, so I can try it out and see what I think about it. And in the next video, you'll find out if I like it or not. It won't take 30 days. And as far as monthly plans, they've got one plan that is around $60 a month and one plan that is around $100 a month. The big difference in the two is on the higher one, you get a higher priority for the first 250 gigs. And so One thing to keep in mind, some of you, I can hear you screaming through my phone now. Ooh, that's expensive. I'm getting a $35 discount off of mine because I also have wireless phones with them and watches and things like that. So your price may be significantly less depending on what services you currently have with AT&T. I would encourage you to, I'd really encourage you to dial 611 and talk to them that way. I went to a store and they said it wasn't available at my place, and it turned out it was, but I had to call 611. So yeah, this is the device. I'm really excited to try it out. I'll do some speed tests and things like that, and I'll get back to you real soon with an update. Y'all have a great Monday, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.